Yeah, I can hear you. Good morning,
Good
bro.
morning. Good morning, brother.
Yeah, same to you, and you have a nice day.
Sorry?
Yeah, just I got up off my bed, and I then after that I sent a text on
Yeah.
group in order to having practice. So, bro, my name's Satya, and I'm
Okay.
from Gorakh. Yeah, my name's Satya. My name is Satya, and I'm from Gorakhpur, the state of UP.
Yeah. I know of one YouTuber. He is also from Gorakhpur. I think
Okay.
his name is Vishnu Bharadwaj.
Yeah, Vishnu Bhardwaj is also from Gorakhpur. Absolutely
Uh,
correct.
yeah, I watched his lots of videos.
Yeah, he he practice her communication through Cambly app with native
Yeah.
speakers. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, I
bro,
also joined at Cambly and I talked with lots of native speakers, you know.
oh my gosh. So you have talked with different people.
Yeah.
And native, that's great. I'm glad to hear that.
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't talked with a native speaker, but I had words with different people, the person who belong with different countries, but I never talked with different with a native speakers.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never made any kinds of conversation with a native speakers. Instead of making with a native speakers, I made a different kinds of people. The person belongs from different countries.
Yeah. Yeah, Cambly is very expensive.
Yeah, it's very expensive and I can't afford it.
Yeah, I also can't afford it, but I got some money, and that's why I thought that I should.
No, actually, that's great things. And you know what? The Cambly is one of the best platform where you can practice with a native speaker. There are
So
so many, yeah, there are so many people who wanna make a conversation, who wanna make a conversation with different people such as United States and United Kingdom.
yeah.
Yeah.
So do you use Clappingo?
No, I have never used Clappingo and I don't use.
No,
Yeah,
I also never use, but I don't know. I heard about it. Like it's not expensive.
yeah, actually, cause it's an
Yeah.
Indian platform. Yeah, this is an Indian platform. If we talk about Clappingo and Clappingo is not too much expensive than Cambly.
Yeah. Other platform to talk with someone.
Actually, apart from Skype, I used my WhatsApp group.
Yeah.
Yeah, there is a WhatsApp group in my cell phone. Just I use whenever I got free time, whenever I get leisure time on that moment, I love to practice to speak out this language. Yeah, and but I'm planning about to purchase subscription of Clappingo. Just I'm thinking about.
I will also after Cambly when Cambly subscription will finish, I will take like Clapping subscription.
So, do you have any videos of Cambly?
Yeah, I am.
Okay. After that, please send me that video.
Yeah. Please,
Yeah,
sorry, sure.
yeah. So you must make any kinds of platform create. You must create a YouTube channel
Yeah, I have also created.
because
Also, here is also people don't know about English. That's why I have a problem with speaking.
actually you know what's where I live there is no person apart from me who are able to speak English. If I talk about in my family members, so I'm the one person who can speak English and
Yeah.
who wanna improve my communication skills.
Yeah, and I am living in the small village. Here, people don't know about English.
Where do you live? You know.
No, I am living in the village.
So I'm talking I'm asking about your place. Where is located this your place?
Okay, it's Gujarat.
Gujarat in a Gujarat.
Yeah, I know Gujarat.
How did you learn this language without any environment?
No, only on YouTube. I watch the videos like first tense, I learned tense, then modal verb, then parts of speech, then voice, active, passive, and then I listen. I used to listen each and every day. Whenever
Yeah.
I was doing work, at that time I listen.
Okay, so
So
how long have you been learning English? Please let me know.
it has been 7 months. It has been for 7 months, I think.
It's been approximately 7 months to you learn this
Yeah.
language. And if we talk about my duration, so I've been learning this language for last 9 months.
Wow.
Yeah,
And
last
you are
nine months.
fluent.
Last 9 months, and you know what, sir? Before that, I had no environment to speak or English. Just
Yeah.
yeah,
And
there cause yeah, cause
7 months before, I didn't know about any word. I know only like thank you, sorry, hi, hello. Apart
yeah,
from that, I
likewise.
don't know. I didn't
Yeah,
know
like
about it.
yeah, likewise. If we talk about 9 months ago, so I wasn't able to speak even single words of this language, but I had a knowledge a little bit about grammar, like tenses, and then I started to speak this language a little bit. I wasn't able to speak like this, and right now I can speak English and I can communicate with different people, with anyone in English language.
Yeah, English is very, important.
Yeah, yeah, I know. It's because it's a worldwide language, and if we talk about it's an amazing language.
Yeah, I don't need to English for my profession, but I am learning because if I get any chance to go to out of India, and like if I get any job, that's why
Yeah,
I'm learning.
actually,
And in future, English is, help me.
actually, if you have knowledge about English, so that's when your personality would be better. Your personality would be developed.
Yeah,
Yeah, cause having English knowledge,
yeah,
and it'll be helpful for you to communicate with different people. The person has different kinds of language. Suppose that you wanna visit it in Nepal and there is a Nepali person and they could unable to speak Indian language and understand this language, but you can communicate through English language with that person. You can, yeah, we can express our feeling in front of other people
yeah.
through English. There is a
Yeah,
lot of words.
I was talking with native speakers and Skype. My friends on Skype. At that time, I was not able to. I was not speaking good,
Yeah, I
But
realize.
now at least I can communicate.
Yeah, actually, and if I talk about your level, so your level would be intermediate level, cause the person, you know what, who's called intermediate level, the person is able to express their feelings in front of
Yeah,
other. That would be called intermediate level, and you're able to express your feelings, express your
yeah,
ideas. So you mean you are the intermediate level. I'm also intermediate levels.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm not too much good at this language. Just I'm trying my level best to speak out this language.
And, the practice makes perfect.
Yeah, it's all about practice.
And
The
I don't have much time, that I can I can do practice with some.
okay, bro. So I didn't ask your name. I'm sorry for that. May I know what your name is?
Yeah, my name is Hassan.
Okay, okay, Hashan. You know what? So I'll purchase Camly subscription one day. Later or sooner, I purchase. Cause I wish to communicate with a native speaker. I wanna talk. I wanna have a conversation with native speakers.
Yeah,
There's a lot of things we will have to learn in our whole life.
yeah.
Yeah. and it's our third language. Maybe actually English is my third language, and
And English is my fourth language.
okay, how many languages you can speak? Fourth language you can speak.
Fourth, yeah. I
May I know?
have in my place. I have two native languages.
Okay, Bhojpuri.
Sorry.
First one must
Yeah,
be
yeah.
Bhojpuri.
First one is Kachi. You heard about Kachi?
No, no, I have never heard.
And second is Gujarati.
Second is Gujarati.
Yeah. And third Hindi.
Third Hindi, and fourth one English.
Yeah.
Yes, I can speak only three languages. First one is Bhojpuri.
Yeah, yeah.
Have you ever heard about this language, Bhojpuri?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. And second one is
My
Hindi.
favorite language. It's.
Yeah, second
Because
one is Hindi.
I watch the movies.
And third
Not
one
a
is
movies, but I like so I whenever I watch characters, they were speaking in
I can
Bhojpuri.
speak Bhojpuri language, but unfortunately I don't like to watch Bhojpuri movies.
No, I also don't watch, but
Yeah,
I
I
watch heroes. Heroes and characters.
yeah. But there are some songs on YouTube which I love to listen that song, but
Yeah,
sometimes not too much. Sometimes in rare time I listen Bhojpuri songs, but mostly I love to listen English songs. Yeah, there are
so, what
something.
is your favorite song in English?
Safe of you,
Sorry.
safe of you.
Okay, I don't know about because I don't used to listen song.
And the safe of you, my
Yeah, I know only two songs, and both song are Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber. Please let me know about that.
One is Baby,
Yeah, Justin baby. Okay,
and
and second
second I don't remember that name. It is I think something like California and recent came
California.
like California in their song in
Okay,
line.
so can you sing a songs for me, two or three lines, whatever
But
you like. Well, you
as
have
I told
remembered.
you, I don't remember. That's why I
Okay,
only know one word.
no problem, no problem. Actually,
I
and
will send you a link after this conversation.
okay. What is your favorite? What is your first song? Okay, what is your first song when you had listened?
First
Yeah, what's your first song that you listened in
song,
English?
do you
Yeah,
mean so?
what's your first songs you listened in English?
English.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's baby. I
maybe. Actually, my first song is that Stay a Little Longer. Because one day I was watching Half Girlfriend movie and there's songs Stay a Little Longer.
oh,
Yeah, Stay a Little Longer. Did you watch Half Girlfriend movie?
no. I
Okay. So there is a song Stay a Little Longer, and that's nice. Yeah, that's nice song.
I will definitely search and watch.
And I can sing that song also. I can sing whatever I have listened. I can
Please
sing.
tell
I
me.
don't. Yeah, to sing English song, it will be work as a tongue twister. You know what? To listening English songs and to singing English song, it'll be work like a tongue twister. Cause there are some sentence which we couldn't able to speak out that sentence.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
yeah, as we
I
try
also
to
can't understand.
sing again and again that line, so after that we can sing that song clearly. That
Yeah.
sentence. Suppose that if I say like if I see these songs, so stay a little longer. Stay a little longer with me, baby. One chose reality longer with me, baby. Have you heard this song?
No, I never heard.
And my favorite song is
Her voice is good, you know.
my favorite song is Safe of You. I love to listen the songs a lot and to sing that song.
I will definitely search it.
Yeah, cause you know what? Before that, I hadn't a cell phone. Then I was not practicing.
Uh,
Yeah, it's been approximately 3 months to get this cell phones.
okay.
Yeah, and since then again I started to practice to speak out this language. Please, after hanging this conversation, listen safe of your song.
Yeah, yeah, I definitely.
Okay, so let me sing one song also for you. The club is the best place, safe of you, and try to listen the songs carefully. The club is the best place to find the lovers of the bar. It's where I go. Me and my friends at a table doing short drinking fast and act slow. Come on, stop a conversation with just me. Trust me, give it a chance. Not take my hand, stop. Put him in the jukebox and then we start to dance. I'm singing like girl, you know I want your love. Your love's a handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, you don't mind. Say boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my wrist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push up like magnetic. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with the body. Oh, I'm in love with the body. Oh. Like that.
Yeah, yeah. Wow, you
Yeah.
have to.
Eh, Yeah, just I try to sing English songs in order to correct my pronunciation, improve my pronunciation.
You should make a cover song and you have to upload on YouTube.